चाय चाय।
अरे भरभूति जी, ओ का बताए हमारे डीएम में तो ऐसा एक तो लड़को आता है, वो हमको का कहता है पता है? बाबू सोना। अरे हम का करे, हम तुम्हार बाबू सोना नहीं है। सही पकड़े हैं।
Hi guys, welcome to our first podcast of the Cutting Film Entertainment. We'll be having some quick and fun discussion with two of lovely ladies with us, and they are completely strangers. They don't know each other, but we'll be finding out what they have in common.
Okay, hi. So this is Richa and hi Dhwani. How are you doing? How are you guys doing?
Hi, what's up? I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Hey Abhinav, by the way, you forgot to mention me. You just mentioned two beautiful ladies and not a handsome guy. So please
So,
keep this in mind next time. Okay, let's start. So tell me any two things in common. Like both of you are strangers. You guys don't know each other. You guys are meeting for the first time. And what, as a girl, tell us something in common.
I feel we get a lot of creepy messages, DMs. People keep sliding into our DMs. Is it right, Dhwani? Do you get them?
Obviously, you're so correct. I mean, that's like,
Yeah.
I can agree. Any girl on this planet can agree to you.
Any
Dhwani,
girl, like guys would straight up come and they will video call us. Like even if we don't know each other, and it's so annoying. But yeah, we have to deal with it.
So yeah, one thing is creepy messages for sure. हमको मिलते ही है कहीं ना कहीं और एक हमारे प्रति ना एक अलग ही परसेप्शन होता है लोगों का. I feel that way. I don't know. कुछ भी हो तो we have to think twice before doing something. So I think I have faced that a lot, and I'm sure even you must have thought. I mean, faced
Quite
this.
common among girls, I feel.
Yeah. So yeah, this is something.
So if a random guy, just not a creepy guy, a random guy slides your DM and like, what is your first thought about it?
Actually, I feel who does not like compliments? Everyone like to be complimented in the right way, obviously. But if someone randomly who I don't know, even if that guy is not creepy, I might say thank you and then end the conversation. But later on, it could like come in my mind कि what if वो मुझ पे line मार रहा था, या तो what if it was not like a healthy compliment in his head. So that is something which we go through. Even if the guy is like a good guy and has nothing wrong in his mind, but that is something like which I think I always think.
So with me, it's like स्टार्टिंग में तो वैसा परसेप्शन नहीं रहता है. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं ऐसा परसेप्शन ना बनाऊं कि ये क्रीपी होगा कोई. हाँ, बट कभी कभी ऐसे इंसिडेंसेस हो जाते हैं कि आपको पहले तो ब्यूटीफुल बोल देगा और फिर सडनली हाय बेबी, हाय बाबू. I mean, what is that? I'm not your baby, babu. Like,
Dhwani, why don't you mimic in their style? Like, I know you. Okay, one more thing. Dhwani is one of my favorite mimic artists. Like, she can do anyone. Like, even after this Zoom call, she can roast us with her mimicry.
Do you like Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai wali Anguri Bhabhi? Do you know about her?
Yeah, I know.
Sahi pakde hai, right? That's her Takiya Kalam. So I'll speak in her language.
Okay.
Like, अरे भरभूति जी, ओ का बताए हमारे डीएम में तो ऐसा एक तो लड़को आता है, वो हमको का कहता है पता है? बाबू सोना. अरे हम का करे, हम तुम्हार बाबू सोना नहीं है. सही पकड़े हैं.
Amazing.
This was amazing.
Thank you.
Let's jump on to some next question. Abhinav?
Yeah. So, guys, I feel that some things should be normal. Like, they shouldn't be taught. They should come normally to guys. So, it happens when we started at home. So, I want to know, how is it, if you guys have brothers, how is it to grow up with a brother? Like, what kind of discrimination you guys face to grow up with a brother?
So I would like to say that in the initial stage, I always felt that it is like the guy has like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like as if they have like a little amount of superpower in like over the power that I have. So it's like abhi raat ho gaya, bahar jana hai. So it will be like कि you know beta tum jao aisa. So I will be like, why can't I? Agar now like simple thing, if I have to go out, so he has to accompany me. But when he has to go out, I don't have to accompany him. So that is something I saw while growing up, and I always thought that it is discrimination. But honestly, it is concern, to be honest. Like when while growing, it took me time obviously, but it is something I realized the hard way. I used to always, you know, be like, no, this is not fair, I don't want to go with him and things like that. But yeah, that is something.
So my parents have dealt us in this way कि अगर मेरा coming home time है 8 o'clock तो मेरे भाई का भी 8 o'clock होगा. So generally मैं ऐसे grow हुई हूँ, but I have seen a lot of families that way जहाँ पे ऐसे discrimination होता है कि आपका timing ये होगा और आप since you're a boy you can come at any time. So yeah, and that's only because of how the outside world is to the girls, I believe. There are people who restrict, I mean there are parents who do restrict a lot to girls, but certainly there is one more thing, as she mentioned, it's a concern. एक फिक्र होती है कि मेरी बेटी रात को जा रही है कहीं पे, you know, कोई उसके पीछे ना पड़ जाए, उसका फोन ऑफ आ रहा है, ये भी एक टेंशन है. वो आप पहन के गई है, वो ओला में नहीं है, वो शायद से लोकल ट्रेन से ट्रैवल कर रही है. All this concern, ये बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन होती है पेरेंट्स को.
बहुत सी लड़कियां मैंने ऐसे देखा है कि they don't like their parents because of this, still knowing about the concern, but बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि they don't like their parents क्योंकि वो मुझे बाहर जाने नहीं देते लेट तक.
मुझे ना एक इंसिडेंट याद आ रहा है. 10th के बाद, you know, 10th में आप सिर्फ यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हो, स्कूल लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट यूनिफॉर्म. 11th and 12th में आते you get that sense, you know, yo I'm gonna dress, I'm कॉलेज जाऊंगी, ये करूंगी, स्टाइल मारूंगी and all of that. So I had that boost in me that I'm gonna do this. तो मेरा कॉलेज था बांद्रा में, मैं रहती हूँ पवई में, which is like quite far. तो starting earlier few days I started traveling from my own car. मेरे ड्राइवर अंकल जो थे मुझे ड्रॉप कर देते थे. बट कॉलेज में मैं अलग अलग लोगों से मिली तो मुझे समझ में आया यार ट्रेन ट्रैवलिंग इज आल्सो फन. मैंने मेरी मॉम को बोला कि मम्मी मुझे ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करना है, मुझे सीखना है, मुझे मजा आता है ये सब चीजों में. मम्मी इज लाइक हाँ ठीक है कर लो. बट लेटर ऑन व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम ट्रेन, माय मॉम टोल्ड मी बेटा नी लेंथ के ऊपर कुछ नहीं. And I was like, मेरे पूरे सपने चूर चूर हो गए थे, you know. I wanted to wear clothes to college. तो मैंने बोला, I got very rebellious. मैंने बहुत झगड़ा किया पेरेंट्स से. मुझे एक टाइम तो ऐसा भी आ गया तो मुझे नफरत होने लगी थी कि क्यों रोक रहे हैं मुझे. कुछ महीने पास होने के बाद जब मैं ट्रेन से रेगुलर ट्रैवलिंग स्टार्ट किया, तब मुझे जाके समझ में आया कि मेरे पेरेंट्स क्या बोलना चाह रहे थे. एंड देन मुझे कुछ किसी चीज का बुरा नहीं लगा. एक्चुअली मैंने उनको खुद जाके सॉरी भी बोला था. आई एम रियली सॉरी दैट आई बिहेव्ड दिस वे विद यू.
When you spoke about train incident, I remember one thing. I was on Kurla Bridge. It was evening, I guess, evening time, and it was obviously very crowded. So I was climbing the bridge. So the thing is, girls have this. I've seen many girls do this as compared to guys. They wear their bag आगे ऐसा cross. Because there are kabhi takkar lag jata hai and this and that. So that is this thing. Okay, so we wear it, and so that day I was climbing the stairs and someone grabbed me from behind. Okay, so that was the first time in my life someone actually grabbed me like that in a public place.
Grabbed as in literally
grabbed my butt. It was very crowded. Someone grabbed my butt. And I got so scared. I think I was in first year or something. I was so scared. I didn't know how to react. It was like, मेरे गले से आवाज ही नहीं आ रही, like that. Like my whole body went numb. But the thing is, I knew it is wrong. I knew, but the thing is, मैं चिल्लाऊं तो भी क्या करूं, इतना भीड़ है, किसको पकड़ूं, किसको बोलूं. And जब तक वो thought process है तब तक लोग निकल जाते हैं वहां से. तो मैं हट गई, मैं थोड़ा साइड में जाके मैं ब्रिज के साइड में खड़ी हो गई. ना मैं खड़ी हो गई, मेरे पीछे जो लेडी गई थी, she was wearing a burqa and she was walking. She was she is very elder. Okay, she might be around 35, late 30s. So I heard her scream, like she was like, "Hey, mother chod, kaun hai wo bhadwa?" Like that, okay? Like she legit said that, and I was like, "Ye pakka wahi banda." And she screamed and she was abusing like a boss, and I was like, someday, I will gather that courage, because जब भी first time होता, you don't know what to do. But that day, looking at that female, I was like, okay. उसके बाद में next time वो बंदा शायद सोचा होगा कि नहीं. So yeah, that is an experience, and local trains and all are, oh my god.
So looking at the current scenario, like what all is going on internet and how the things have become ugly, do you think that somewhere threatening women or giving rape threats or abusing women is a kind of a new source of entertainment for some people?
Yeah, it is, no doubt. No doubt. Looking at the amount of followers they have, it is definite, because see, you won't follow something you don't like. You don't follow something which does not give you entertainment, okay? And when you are on a when you are interacting on social media, you have certain amount of social responsibilities. You cannot, because there are people looking up to, there are people who don't really know what is right and what is wrong, and you doing something could influence people in a very negative way. So looking at the amount of followers they have, people supporting them, it really is very heartbreaking. Like, people is supporting such things, and it is giving the people who are abusing confidence to do it often, and that is definitely not cool.
I would definitely take this guy's name. His name is Shubham Mishra. What a horrible person. What a horrible person. Like, you know, there's this thing, it's there since forever, huh? We are never safe anywhere. I'm not a feminist actually, but then it's a very true saying that we are not safe in school, we're not safe in college, we're not safe in offices, public places. Now we are not even safe on internet. There's anybody, Maika Lal, who will get up and say, "अरे तेरा rape कर दूंगा." I mean it's, मुझे वो वीडियो देख के घिन आई. हालांकि उसने सॉरी बोला, but then इस बात का मतलब क्या है?
हाँ, सॉरी
आपके पास True. This thing is not something so गलती से हो गया है. हाँ, you cannot do something purposely, पूरा होशो आवाज से, and you cannot
even
just
repeat it. You will even repeat it. It's just a sorry for a time, because he is in a limelight and everyone wants him to apologize. So maybe
he needs attention. He needs attention. अरे मैं जानती नहीं थी शुभम मिश्रा कौन है पहली बात तो. I never knew until this whole thing came out. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कौन है. He looks like some सस्ता हिंदुस्तानी about to me. I read a meme somewhere. He's like 144 to 144p of Sasta. It's a Hindustani wow.
No, so what happened was initially when like Hindustani Bhav used to make videos now, like everyone used to enjoy it. Even I'll say myself, even I used to enjoy it. It was like ठीक है, गाली दो. And अभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि I was wrong at that time. Somewhere I myself, even Abhinav, and I don't know about you girls, but we have promoted himself. हमने खुद से हिंदुस्तानी भाव को प्रमोट किया है. But वो क्या है ना, हम स्टार्ट में एंटरटेनमेंट की तरह ले रहे थे उसे, अभी वो सिर पे चढ़ गया है. So basically ऐसा चल रहा है कि अभी उनको फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच के नाम पे वो लोग कुछ भी अनाप शनाप बोलते हैं.
ये जो शुभम मिश्रा है, इसका मैंने वो वीडियो देखा जो उसका भी जो वायरल हुआ, तो उसमें ना वो लाइक हिंदुस्तानी भाव से जय हिंद दोस्तों, he says सत्यमेव जयते दोस्तों. To copy him obviously, but I don't think he might know the meaning of सत्यमेव जयते, what he is actually saying.
अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम तकलीफ थी, मैं समझ सकती हूँ, आप कर देते ना, मतलब केस फाइल कर देते. आपको ये करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. That's what.
नहीं, पर क्यों केस क्यों फाइल करेंगे? फिर कौन वो झंझट में पड़ेगा कि मैं पुलिस स्टेशन जाऊं, मैं उसके बारे में बोलूं.
केस फाइल करने.
हाँ, यहाँ मैं घर पे बैठ के आराम से गाली दूंगा और रेप थ्रेट दूंगा, हो गया, मैं तो देशभक्त. So yeah, coming on to next question.
Okay, so one question I'd like to ask is, what role one woman plays in another? How do you guys influence each other?
So certain things require courage. Okay, so at some point of time you need someone to look up to. even if you have that fire in you to make the change and everything, at some point in your life, you feel that, you know, if like you just need a push start, and when you see someone do it, it gives you this confidence ki if she can, why can't I?
One biggest example I would love to give about is Bharti Singh, the comedian. मैं भी पहले बहुत ज़्यादा fluffy थी. I was like very hefty and like very fat and all. So I used to feel very bad. I had no confidence in wearing anything. People used to call me moti and all of that. और ये कहीं ना कहीं confidence lose हो जाता है. But the day she entered the industry with her size now, so she's lost a lot of weight, but she started joking about her appearance, how she's fat, and she started just joking and being a comedian. So I got a lot of inspiration from her. So we need more women like her, and not just women, we need more people like her. कहीं से एक push मिल जाता है ना, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
कैसा होता है ना कि even today's generation, even if both the parents are working, mom and dad both are working, so in the end 9 to 5 job है, if 9 to 5 97 whatever it is, end of the day हो रहा है काम करके, dad भी 5 बजे आ रहे हैं, mom भी 5 बजे आ रही है, but dad is chilling on sofa and mom is doing her रोज का घर का काम. तो ये carry forward हो रहा है. So basically घर पे ही सब कुछ शुरू होता है to begin with. बाद में because you just can't go and अभी अगर हम लोग ये वीडियो बना रहे हैं, if we are not following this, तो it doesn't make any sense. तो घर पे ये सब शुरू होता है फिर. Okay,
I follow.
Next jumping on. Yeah. I don't. I should.
इसको चाय बनाना मैंने
सीखा. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Chai has always been a very important part of my life.
Honestly, I don't know to make tea yet. I can make biryani, but I cannot make tea. I cannot make chai.
Cake.
I'll teach you, Rita.
The things we complained that कि men don't work or men don't do things. क्या होता है ना कि they have been taught or they see that उनको पता ही नहीं कि मुझे करना है. मतलब मैं ऐसा बैठा रहूंगा, मम्मी काम कर रही रहेगी, तो मुझे नहीं पता कि मुझे मतलब मैं करता हूँ. It's an example. तो मुझे ये नहीं समझेगा कि I have to go there and help her. तो ये जो है ना, ये सिखाने पे आएगा. और सिखाना मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मर्दों को सीधा मतलब you should not take a direct decision. You should start teaching them.
True.
Yeah, it's a process. एक overnight नहीं होता है ये सब.
I have relatives like that, you know, who I have not seen them working for their mothers, so it just feels sad. मतलब अच्छा नहीं लगता वो देख के.
Yeah.
So I was saying चाय के बारे में, चाय तो मेरी और मेरी मम्मी का झगड़ा सॉल्व कर देते हैं, पता है, like इतना पावर है. Like suppose if we have fought for some reason, I say चाय पियोगी, and she'll just smile.
Yeah, sure, why not?
My God, she's not from our community.
No, yeah.
I feel so excluded right now. I feel like I'm an alien.
We will have. So jumping on to next.
So I am going to take name of that word. Okay, I don't know if I should take or not, but it is a very huge word, and I'm scared to say that. Like people will judge me for saying that. So I want to talk about sanitary pads.
It's like
it's normal.
Oh my God, bomb for diya, Abhinav.
How dare you, Abhinav? How dare you?
Yeah, so I don't think I should say or not. मतलब
अरे मुंह पे पेपर क्यों रखा तूने? मुंह पे पेपर रख भाई.
Abhinav, I really appreciate you. You said that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
ऐसा मैं अगर हाई फाइव दे सकती थी तो मैं फोन से निकल के देती थी.
Okay, बस lots of sarcasm.
पर लोग इसको sarcasm की तरह लेने चाहिए.
I know they don't take it literally. Oh God.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this brands, whatever this Whisper हो गया, Stay Free, right? So ये जो brands है basically, उन्होंने कभी वैसे वो वे में प्रमोट नहीं किया. From a brand's perspective, because I belong to some, मतलब हम लोग वैसे तो वीडियोस वगैरह बनाते हैं, ऐसे सब कैंपेन्स वगैरह क्रिएट करते हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे इट्स वेरी सिंपल कि चाइनीज एप्स बैन करने थे तो हम तो इंडिविजुअली तो कर पाएंगे पर वो मास लेवल में नहीं होगा.
मतलब वो काफी नॉर्मल चीज है यार, मुझे बहुत नॉर्मल लगता है वो.
That is how it's supposed to be. It is normal. It is not something
people link it with God, you know, it's godly. You're not supposed to go to the temple and things like that. And I think it should start with school only. I have a very vivid memory. This stay free, secure wale guys used to come into our school and they used to get all the girls, only girls in the auditorium. And hum log ko pura अच्छे से guide करते थे. Why not boys? Get them also. I mean,
we have.
You guys must be laughing in school at that time. Hey, look.
We used to be curious, like what is going? Why? क्या हमको क्यों बाहर निकाल रहे?
No, हमारा कुछ और ही thought process था.
क्या बोला?
हाँ.
What are the girls tell you?
Blame. अरे no, because हमारा वो लड़कियों के साथ conversation ही नहीं था वो time पे.
हाँ, मतलब मतलब अगर हमारे में से कोई लड़कियों से बात करे तो वो ग्रुप से बाहर.
हमारा तो ग्रुप का हीरो बन जाता था.
वो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हमने ही चालू किया था स्कूल में.
क्योंकि हमें सेपरेट बिठाते थे यार ये लोग. मुझे भी लगता था कि ओ माय गॉड, लड़कों के रो में बिठा दिया मतलब पनिशमेंट हो गया मेरा तो. एंड एज अ पनिशमेंट दे यूज्ड टू मेक गाइस सिट विद गर्ल्स. तो मतलब
और सच्ची इवन आई हैव मुझे एक हफ्ते के लिए मुझे और अभिनव को लड़कियों के बीच में बिठाया था. लाइक वी वर टुगेदर सिंस स्कूल, हम लोग सेम स्कूल से. और वो एक हफ्ता हमारा इतना गंदा गया है ना लाइफ का, लाइक वर्स्ट वीक, क्योंकि हम लोग पूरे हफ्ते पता नहीं किस बात की रिग्रेट में थे कि ये कैसे क्या हो गया हमारे साथ. एक बार ऐसा था कि हम लोग को 8th स्टैंडर्ड में हुआ था, मतलब हमारा ग्रुप वहां पे मजा चलेगा.
हाँ, नीचे बिठाओ, फ्लोर पे बिठाओ, हमको चलेगा. ग्रुप के साथ बिठाओ.
और अब ऐसी पनिशमेंट्स के लिए तुम लोग रेडी हो ना?
जो विमेन एम्पावरमेंट जो टर्म है या कॉन्सेप्ट है, लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक दैट इट इज ओनली लिमिटेड और रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू टुडेज जनरेशन. लाइक अभी की लड़कियों के लिए है विमेन एम्पावरमेंट, पर हमारी माओं का क्या? लाइक आवर मॉम्स, आवर ग्रैंड मॉम्स, व्हाई कांट इट बी फॉर देम? लाइक विमेन एम्पावरमेंट मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि वर्किंग और अर्निंग इज नॉट अ विमेन एम्पावरमेंट. So I want to talk on that.
Not all mothers had the female in general. They did not know what is right and what are their rights, what all things they can stand up for. So back then they didn't have it. Okay, they didn't know it, or you know, other reasons. They didn't have people to support it. They didn't have the courage and all that. But right now we have people to support. I believe they have courage. If not them, we, their kids, we have the courage to do it. So why restrict? It is never late to learn something. There is no age for learning. Okay, so if not then now abhi hum log sikha sakte hain. We can. So I don't think there is any sort of restrictions that should be made when it comes to empowerment.
Correct.
Very true. agar hamare you know, old generation, like our parents generation, agar unhone ek certain step nahi liya hota shayad se, so maybe even we wouldn't be sitting here. We would have been like some, you know, बहुत calm composed, अपने ही वर्ल्ड में रहना या इतना फ्रीली बात नहीं करना, हम भी शायद इस पोजीशन में नहीं होते. So I believe somewhere down the line our parents have also, like my mother has been a very empowered woman in my life, क्योंकि क्या है, she's also a homemaker, so she's a housewife, and it's not like that she's not working. She does take care of my dad's work, but then mostly she's a homemaker. So it doesn't mean that she's not empowered. She knows her rights. She knows what is wrong. She takes stand ekdam khul ke, she fights for herself. So that is what is required. That is what is required.
Yes.
That is what she has taught you, basically, to stand for yourself no matter what.
Yeah. She feels if you think you are right, no, bhad mein jaye sab log. तुझे लगता है तू सही है? And ha,
That is
she
right.
guides me also. She guides me also. Beta, this I don't think this is right. And then I do take her advice because हाँ यार mom गलत नहीं होती. 100% of the times she said, "Vani, this boy is not good for you," and I've fought for that. And then later on I get to know, oh my god, he wasn't good for me.
माँ की बात सुन लेनी चाहिए थी.
Exactly. ये regret होता है हमेशा.